Assemble the auto pass-through feeder. Place your laser machine on top of the pass-through feeder. Adjust the machine's position to ensure the frames are aligned. Connect the spare wire to the feeder's motor wire. Unplug the Y-axis motor wire of the laser machine. Insert the other end of the feeder's motor wire. Plug in the power cord and USB cable. Lay the wood board on the conveyor rails. Turn the upper knob to raise the pressure wheels. Insert the wood board. Turn the upper knob to lower the pressure wheels and press it down. Please refer to the recommended pressure values for common materials to adjust the pressure. Turn the lower knob to feed the wood board into the machine. Please ensure the wooden board is not bent and the end isn't sticking up, as the board may not pass through the machine and may hit the machine frame. If your wood board is slightly warped, make sure the ends are facing down. Then press it with the pressure wheels, and manually feed the board into the machine again to check if it can pass through smoothly. Rotate the handle to loosen the screw. Slide the laser module upward or downward to set the position of the rear plate on the laser module based on the scale with which the focal length setting bar is aligned, to ensure better cutting performance. Rotate the handle to tighten the screw. Put the focal length setting bar down. Loosen the thumb screw on the other side and slide the laser module upward or downward. After determining the position, tighten the thumb screw and put the focal length setting bar back. Turn on your machine. Open light burn. Then click Find My Laser. Click Next. Wait for the device information to display, then click Add Device. Note that the X-axis length does not need to be changed, but the Y-axis length should be set to the length of the material to be engraved. Then click Next. Turn off the Auto Home option, then click Next. Finally, click Finish to complete the pairing. Click Console to check the connection status. If it shows OK, the connection is successful. If it shows Already in Use, click the drop-down box and switch the COM port. Select Start from Current Position. Click the button to set up the rotary. Enable the rotary. Select the Y-axis, enter 360 mm per rotation and 63.5 mm diameter, then click OK. Draw a rectangle on the canvas. Then adjust the position of the canvas. Click the Frame button. The machine will start running. Pay attention to the engraving position and size. If adjustments are needed, you can move the laser head or adjust the size of the wood board. Import a design file. Adjust the position and size of the design to ensure the processing position and size on the wood board are correct. Click Frame to confirm once again that the actual engraving position and size are correct. Cuts/layers to set the parameters. Select the corresponding layer, choose line. Enter the tested cutting parameters and speed, then double-click to enable tabs/bridges. Choose Auto. Enter the number of tabs and the spacing distance. Then click OK. If everything is in order, click Start to begin processing. When the processing is finished, click Stop.